What's up my YouTube family? Today I will teach you a complete tutorial of Windows 11, that what are the best possible settings in Windows 11 and what services should be on or off, and what kind of optimization like memory optimization, storage point of view, browsing, updation. All of these kind of things I will discuss in this tutorial, and I will make sure that I will make the 2 to 3 tutorials of this session of Windows 11. So don't miss this session. This is a complete Windows 11 tutorial of complete settings and all kind of stuff. So please stick to it. Keep watching this video. We'll be right back. Okay friends, the first and foremost important step of our tutorial is software setup. Yes, before optimizing and before doing anything on Windows 11, after installing Windows 11, we have to do these kind of stuff in our hand. We must have these stuff in our hand. Like first of all, after installing Windows 11, we have to update Windows 11 must. Why? Because as we all know that Windows 11 is a new flavor after Windows 10, so there must be bugs and fixes. So we have to update this Windows 11 at any cost. I suggest you, whenever you install Windows 11, please straightforward go and update Windows 11 regularly. Once its updation is done, then go to next step of complete driver updations. Like I am using Snappy drivers or Driver Easy, as I show you here. Here you have. I have all up-to-date drivers. Means to say that all the drivers are up to date. Now I will clear that thing that Snappy driver tool is very optimized and very good tool. So some drivers are sometimes missing. So we have to use Driver Easy for further installation. Like graphic driver, you must have these both drivers, Snappy and Driver Easy. After that, you have seen that all the drivers are up to date with the help of Driver Easy. After that, I suggest you first run Driver Easy and then you should run Snappy drivers. These are my suggestions. After that, we have Revo installer. Here you can see why Revo installer, because Revo installer have bundles of many new you can see the functions. Like first of all, it shows all the uninstallations programs. I suggest you that whenever you want to install anything, then directly go to Revo installer and use that Revo installer for installation purpose. Second thing is that Windows apps. Now there are tons of Windows apps. There are some junk apps that we are not using in our regular lives, so we have to delete this, which I will show you later. And other things are browser extensions. Now, and a good thing is that some extensions are not visible on the browser. So that software will help you to find those extensions that are not usable. Like here you can see that this is not my in use, so we will remove that. I will show you later on. Next thing, their tools, Auto Run Manager, most important software, that is Auto Run Manager. This must be used in after Windows installation of Windows 11. So there are how to use this software. I will show you step by step later. Junk file cleaner, forget Windows tool, history cleaner. They have backup manager. These kind of many features are available in one hand of Revo installer. That is why this is very good software that must be in your Windows PC. Next thing is CCleaner, ever known. We all know that CCleaner is a top software. So how to use this software, as you already know, but I will go through some procedures like settings and some things like that. These kind of settings, up tools, these kind of settings, startup, and how to use this. I will show you time by time. So this must be in your computer. And next thing is AVG tuner. Now this software I'm using this software too many times. So I feel that AVG and other kind of good software after CC clear, but you must have these two software parallelly used in your Windows. Here you can see UPC is 100% tuned up. Means to say that my maintenance, speed up, free up space, fix problem, all are okay and good in state. How to use this I will tell you later. So after installing Windows 11, you must update Windows properly. Then you have to complete installation of drivers, in which I suggest you that use driver easy, then snappy driver. Third, you have these three softwares in your hand installed. That is why I suggest you that use only these three softwares, and I will show you that how to use this software. You have to apply these things after completing installation of Windows 11, because Windows 11 is kind of separate thing as compared to Windows 10 to some extent. If you want these softwares, I will also post the links in the description. You must have checked this.